Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Let's see what we got right here. We've got a 16 by 52, 2-bedroom, 1-bath. We call this home the McGregor, and it looks a little strange because we have a piece of plastic on the end. That's because this is actually a front door. And the interesting thing, and the reason that I wanted to stop and take a video of this one, is because there's 2 front doors. Here's the other one. Let's just take a walk down the side. Take a look at this. 52 long is not very long, but it sure does pack a punch when you get inside. We've seen this home on the channel with a porch a couple times, so anytime you have a living room at the front, it's easy to put a porch, and I imagine that's why they put a door there, is because they're going to put a front porch there. Maybe they're going to wrap it around to the other side. That would be pretty cool. If it were me, I think that would be a good idea. All right. Coming into the front door, looks like we've got olive green on the outside, black shutters. This is called a 9-light door because there's 9 panes of glass. Gives you a little bit of extra light in your door. And then the other door, also a 9-light. Walking in, we're going to see the standard VOG walls. This is a Casper Cashmere color, Timberwolf trim. And we don't see this very often. We're a little bit dusty here, but this is the tobacco floor, the darkest floor that we offer. Standing over here in the corner of the living room, it's a nice wide open area and opens wide open to the kitchen. Now I've opened the pantry, which is an included feature of this home, because I wanted you to see that we've got a Lazy Susan up there as well. We've done an overhead cabinet. Usually that's just a shelf there. I think it's a great idea to put a cabinet up there so you can tuck away some of the things that you don't use as often. And crescent edging on the countertop. Glacier quartzite on the color. It's like a nice river rock with blues and grays and a little bit of black also. A 30 by 36 window over the sink area. This is a Champion home. My name is Christina. I'm a professional housing consultant for Champion, and I help people design their homes, and I'd love to help you design yours. In this home, we've added a dishwasher, and that looks like that's about it for the appliances. Bank of drawers to the left of the stove, standard hood there. A laminate backsplash. Good idea to protect your walls from any kind of moisture. A couple windows, one 30 by 61 in the dining, and then a couple matching in the living room. Heading down the very short hallway, what's interesting about this floor plan and one of its best features, well, here's another 9-light. So we've got 3 total doors in this home, is we've got a slanted hallway. So instead of it feeling boxy, we put a little bit of a zigzag in there. Here's bedroom 2. Swinging around, coming into the back door, we're going to see the laundry area. This is the one and only bath, and we've got a walk-in shower with the doors. It is available with or without the doors. Hi everybody, I hope your Friday is hopping, enjoying the nice weather. Here's the primary bedroom. And I'm standing over here in the corner so you can get a good idea of the size of it. But I always enjoy these walk-through closets. I don't know, it's just nice, you know, you don't have to. Has anybody else, am I the only one where when you see these kind of closets but it's not a walk-through, there's only one door and you walk inside and you're jammed, here's clothes, you're jammed in there and you get stuck in there. I don't know, it's just nice and convenient to have 2 doors. Let's walk back through the home. Starting at the primary bedroom, we've got a bath, bed 2, slanted hallway, back door with a 9-light, a very short hallway that's going to hold the furnace, wide open kitchen, living area. 2 doors there. Okay. Hope everybody's having a good time. As always, thanks for watching. You can reach me 260-383-1009. We'll see you soon.